Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today, or in this vlog, we're going to be doing a maintenance vlog. So funny how it happened to work together. I did not plan to go to the nail salon, but it was kind of on the whim. I did want to get my toes done, but I got my nails done on a whim. And so here I am getting my pedicure. Now this lady has done my I think she did my toes last time too, funny enough. Sometimes she is long-winded in terms of doing it, but I mean, at least she's taking her time doing it, which I appreciate. But I was tired because I had just came from work, so that's why I was a little antsy, like I was ready to go. But it was a nice relaxing pedicure. And then I just went to my nail tech and I just got, I believe it's called color powder on my nails, and that was pretty much it. I couldn't really film much. I had to hold the phone because there's not, like, it's hard to hold up the phone to film, so that's as much as you guys can get. But pretty much I got all purple nails and one glitter purple nail, nothing in almond shape. That was pretty much what I did. Hey guys, so it is currently Friday. Why am I talking like that? It's Friday, June 14th. I came back like, I want to say 30, maybe 20 minutes ago. Anyway, I went straight to the nail salon after work. Initially I was like, I'm just gonna do my toes and then I'll do my nails. I got influenced by my mom and my sister, who also did their nails. If you know, last month, it's been a minute since I did acrylic nails. Last month I did acrylic nails, and then this month I ended up, as you guys can see, doing acrylic nails. So these are the nails I got. They're actually longer. I do still have work, but we're gonna make do because I decided I wanted them this long already. So, and then I have a shimmer. I don't know if you guys can see that. A shimmer on this nail. I did take a little bit of footage. So I decided I was going to wait till July to braid my hair, but I decided I'm just going to do it next week because I have 2 days off next week. But I'm not doing it, actually, I'm not doing it on my day off. I'm doing it on Sunday, actually. I scratch it. Reverse, because Monday I'm going to go out. And I think the Wednesday I'm off, I might be going out too, actually. Anyway, and then I did my toes a different color. I thought I got the same color, but it's fine. It's like a pinkish, purplish color, but who cares? At least they're done because I wanted them to be done. And my feet feel like baby bottoms food. My hair's looking a little crazy. If you guys saw, I had like the little like drawstring ponytail. That's what I had on my head. But yeah, I'm just over and done with my hair because I feel like I try to do a twist out. It's too hot, so my hair frizzes up like crazy. It's like, why did I even spend the time twisting my hair? And then I feel like I can't do too much buns because I think I'm gonna lower my bun. So let me take my hair out. I'm gonna do a low sleek bun for church tomorrow because it's just been hot every week. At least these past couple weeks I've been going to church, it's hot, so I really don't like my hair in my face like that. I mean, if I have braids, it's doable, but anyway, my hair has been stuck up in this after I washed my hair. And mind you, I washed my hair midweek. That's the one, but I have to wash it again because I'm gonna have to do my hair. But I'm not washing it today. I'm gonna wash it tomorrow, most likely. I don't know, right after my church, or maybe I know, because that would be a very early shower, but I'll probably go a little earlier, so that way I can blow dry my hair, whatever, yada yada. But since when, so, and I had to take my hair at the bun, just let my hair breathe a little bit, because sometimes, you know, you just gotta let your hair breathe. And it's been up in a bun, but I was gonna say, the reason, like, I don't want to do buns too much, because I did have a lot of, like balding here, which is growing back a little bit, but I'm trying to oil it with the oils I got. It's only on this side though, but also in the back of my hair I noticed the same thing. The back was like balding because I think I pull my hair too tight in buns at all the time, and this is why I don't like to be in my hair like that. And yes, I would do a twist out, but again, it's always a puff. You see, like, top of my hair is curly, but then the rest is like frizz. But anyway, talking about hair, I just got a package. I don't know what it is. So influencer, I've shared them with people. Some people have success, some people don't. I feel like there was a period of time, like at the beginning of this year, where I wasn't getting anything, and then randomly, like, I want to say maybe like this month, last month actually too. Did I get something last month? I don't remember. But I wasn't getting anything, and then all of a sudden I got back to getting more surveys and getting things. I got the package. So actually it's a mystery, but I'm gonna assume that it's from here. Let me see who's it from. It says the company, but I don't know who that is. it was a mystery product, so I have no clue. But I know one of the products is for like if you're gonna apply heat and stuff like that, which works perfectly, so that I could try it now, because before I put my hair in braids, because I will be going. I actually texted the place. I'm going to a different place, but it's a place that's close to my house, which is great. And also they did my sister's hair, so I want to see how they did her hair, and they did it pretty good. But anyway, I got 2 products, so we're gonna see. Why the brand? I think the brand Shea Moisture, is it? Let's see. I have no clue what the brand is, because they said it's a mystery, so we're gonna open it together. But I do like getting free products and trying stuff. I have another set of free products. It is Fenty. Why did I know it was Fenty? That is wild. So I got the Fenty products, guys. This is the protective heat protectant styler. Is it liquidy? It looks really thick. I gotta put a little bit. So I got Fenty hair products for free. I'm with it. Oh, we'll see how I like it though. That's the thing. And then the other product I got, what was this? Oh, this is a stronghold gel. See, I would use this in my hair, but I feel like it's gonna flake. Like this, if I had known I was getting this, I would have waited to put gel in my hair yesterday of my hair. Because the thing is, when you get these products, you have to review it. So this is the packaging. I don't know if you guys noticed, it has like a rich packaging. And then yeah, so this is what it looks like. Give y'all a little review. Okay, the packaging is interesting in here too. So how do you open this? You gotta like take off the lid and sorry, just hit my finger. Oh, I guess you gotta take off. There's like a clear piece. Yeah, you take off. It smells good, but I will say this: it smells like perfume, straight up perfume. I don't know if I'm gonna love that, but I'm actually surprised, I would say, that I got some Fenty Beauty hair products. So I might do a little review. I don't know. I got some Fenty products. Who knew? And it was funny because I was just saying just now, all these celebrities creating products, and then I get the Fenty one. But yeah, so we'll see how those work. Now I have to say, for this footage, if it looks a little weird, I did have to adjust it for YouTube viewing pleasure, because I initially filmed it more so for TikTok and Instagram. But anyway, if you want to see the short form, I did put shorts of this already, the jelly type. Now, what I said about it is what I will say about it here. The same thing. I like that it did sleek my hair, as you guys can see, and you'll see the next day. I feel like you guys got a better view of it for YouTube than TikTok and Instagram may have, but it did keep my hair looking nice and sleek the whole time. I went out to church and everything, came back and my hair was still looking good, so we love that. And then yeah, so that's all I have to say about the product. Like I said, the only thing I didn't love too much about it was the perfume smelly situation. I didn't like that too much. But yeah, I just ended up actually just doing a high puff instead of a bun, so at least my curls could just kind of breathe a little bit and not be like tied up in a bun. Anyway, so this is me getting ready for church actually. And I actually have not worn makeup in a minute. I'll drop all the things that I used in the description box. But yeah, I was like, you know what? Let's do some makeup today because you haven't done it in a minute. And also, it was hot that day, but it luckily wasn't too bad. I did a light makeup though. I didn't do too much because like I would normally do like winter concealer, all that. I didn't do all that. And I just did my eyebrows. I did a little bit of use my Fenty eavesdrop because I really like it because it's like perfect. It just matches your skin. Then I went in my LA Girl Pro concealer. Keeping it really simple. And then I'm just going with this Maybelline eyelash mascara thing. I did put some lip gloss. Oh, I think I did it after this. I was like, I knew I did a lip gloss thing. Yeah, I did the Clean Fresh Yummy. I got this from Rite Aid. I actually like them though. I got 2 different smells or scents or whatever you want to call them. So yeah, that's it. So again, for your viewing pleasure, I did this for TikTok. But anyway, we're doing the Fenty here. This is a protective type, sorry. So it's for pretty much heat styling. You can do it up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. So if you're gonna flat iron, now personally, I have not ironed my hair in years, and I probably will not. But I do blow dry my hair, so I did use it as a heat protectant. Now to say, oh, did my curls shrivel back up, I wouldn't know, because my hair is currently in a protected style, as you guys will see at the end. But I will say again, with the perfume smell, I'm not normally, I love smell of products, but I don't know why this, just like the smell, it just reminds me constantly of perfume every time I smell it. So that's the only like setback of it. But other than that, I did like the products. I like the design of the packaging that she came up with for the product, or the brand, I should say. So I don't know if I would ever try any of the other products, honestly, because if they're all the perfume smelling, I'm not really a fan of it. But I will say I do like the concept and the idea of the products. And yeah, that's just my little brother in the frame. I didn't even know he was back there, but we just gonna keep him in because I don't got time to edit all that. And I'm going in my Revlon hairbrush. Now this is the next day, and this is me in my fro, and we're about to go to the salon. Now at this point, I was already irritated because I was waiting. Now I was still irritated here. Hey guys, so I just made it back home, like maybe I want to say 15-20 minutes ago. I am exhausted. I stayed in that salon for 10.5 hours. That was the longest I've ever stayed in a braiding salon. And it's crazy. And I'm not going to go through the lengths of why I was in there for so long, because I don't even got the patience right now. I'm just so tired. It is 9:12. Tomorrow, I'm going to movie theaters. I'm kind of happy I didn't select the early time slot. I selected 12. So it's not too early, but I didn't want to do too late either, because I wanted to come back home, because I still got to go to work on Tuesday, and then I'm off on Wednesday, and then I have to go to work Thursday, Friday. So it's a 3-day work week, and then the following week is a 3-day work week as well. But I just wanted to quickly show you guys here. So I got boho braids, boho, whatever, however you want to say it. I got them done waist length. Let me see if I could turn the camera over. I should have started with the tripod at first, because it's elongated. Don't mind the cords. I was like rushing out the room, so I had my blow dryer. But this is what the hair looks like from the higher level of my tripod. But yeah, I got boohoo braids. They're waist length, as you guys can see. So yeah, I'm gonna be rocking this for like 2 months, 3 months tops, probably. All right, let me fix this tripod because I'm breaking my neck trying to talk to you guys. Yeah, I'm gonna be rocking it for like at least, I'm gonna bring it down now, 3 months tops. This is what it looks like. Yeah. So is that left? Oh no, that's just the curl. I thought it was leftover mousse. But your girl's tired. It is 9:17 p.m. And mind you, I still want to edit this video. That's how much time I had in my hands. So I edited a majority of the video while I was sitting in the chair waiting and all this stuff. So I'm still trying to drop it for you guys on Monday, which is tomorrow. Am I going to do it? I don't know. We're going to see. Hope you enjoyed this little weekend vlog. I don't know what I'm going to title this 100% yet. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell next to the subscribe button so you're notified every time I post a new video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Bye.